In this video, we'll show you how to sign up and subscribe for the Rocket TRUexchange GSN free trial. You can find the sign-up link using any of the options shown. Following the link will take you to the TRUexchange GSN registration form. If you're a new user, you'll need to fill in your company and user details, as well as your choice of name for your file exchange community. Existing users will simply need to provide the file exchange community name to move on to the next step. New users should start by clicking the subscription link on the login page. Next, enter the company and administrator details. By default, the first user of a company becomes its administrator. Please note that the company cannot already be registered in TRUexchange. Public email domains like Gmail or Hotmail are blacklisted, so you need to provide a valid corporate email ID. Enter the code found in your verification email to begin entering your community information. Your community name is your unique identifier and cannot be shared by another organization. For example, for ChooseRight Incorporated, the community name we chose was CW-FX, meaning ChooseRight File Exchange. Next, you'll choose the file encryption security level which best suits the files you'll be exchanging. TRUexchange gives you two options: community key or user key encryption. Community key encryption means files are encrypted with a central community key managed by TRUexchange. User key encryption means every user will have a unique encryption key. TRUexchange will prompt a new user to generate a key when they first log in, and this unique key is stored on the user machine. The next step is choosing one or more of the send-receive relationships to specify how files can be exchanged. Here, we'll select the first three options. Community owner company users can send files to other community owner company users and to partner company users. On the other hand, partner company users can only send files to community owner company users. You'll then select if you want to set up any transaction metadata requirements. For each of the send-receive relationships that you choose, you can specify whether the sender should fill out additional information regarding the files they're exchanging to help the recipient with their next actions. For example, you could specify that for any file being exchanged with a partner user, the sender must provide a project reference and a purpose for the file exchange. The last step in registration is accepting the Rocket TRUexchange Restricted Use License Agreement. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation email for your TRUexchange GSN subscription and can start sending and receiving files with your colleagues and partner users. Reach out to Rocket Software's support team at any time regarding your free trial.